Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to delete blank page in Microsoft Word. First, I am creating one blank page in existing document. Simply press the Enter key. Click the previous page. Simply press and hold left button of mouse and drag to next page. Right-click mouse button. Click Cut. The blank page is successfully deleted. This is the another one method to simply eliminate blank page. First, I am creating one blank page in existing document. Simply press the Enter key. Click the page. Then press Ctrl and Backspace keys continuously. The blank page is successfully deleted. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.